Some people use the Adobe Photoshop to remove the background of an image. They have to face some difficulties in selection of the images, because everyone is not be able to use the selection tools well. But I will not tell you the same method. I will use different but easy method. Okay. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will tell you how can you remove the background of an image. And then you can change the background. So, let's start. Select the image whose background to change. So now open Chrome browser and search remove.bg in URL box. An official website will open and it recommended you to upload your selected picture. So select Upload Image button. Select the image. After 2 or 3 seconds a download button will appear on the screen. Now click on Download button. Select the path on your device anywhere and then click on Save button. Now you can change the background. If you enjoy my video and please subscribe my channel and leave a comment. Thank you.